They say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, what I've learned is that a moving picture is worth 1,000,000 words. So what we found is that through the use of video, we've been able to really customize and really focus on the parts of our university that really are compelling and really do them justice. We've been working with them since 2014, and over the course of that time, we've actually completed quite a few projects, and every single one of them has been different. We've had media-driven pieces that help with recruitment. We've had others that help with fundraising and development. We've had live events taped, and every single time, we've been incredibly satisfied with the finished product. I always feel very safe with this company because they put safety first. And as an example, we've had the video drones in place for different pieces. One was actually at a fundraising event, and this was a cocktail attire fundraising event out underneath the stars, and our guests didn't even realize that there was a drone flying overhead during the cocktail reception. So we at Marymount definitely recommend working with LA Videodrone. Their approach is state-of-the-art, they're current, they're top of mind, they're responsive, and they're really nice people, and they're really, really easy to work with. And I look forward to the next project.